ESD, electrostatic discharge. Vinyl tiles play a crucial role in environments where the protection of sensitive electronic equipment from static electricity is of utmost importance. Resistance is a key property that determines the effectiveness of these tiles in dissipating static charges. Understanding resistance in anti-static PVC flooring tiles is essential for making informed decisions about their selection and use. What is ESD resistance? Surface resistance is a measure of how easily an electrostatic charge can move across the surface of the vinyl tile. For ESD control tiles, the surface resistance values are carefully controlled to ensure that static charges are dissipated in a controlled manner. Conductive electronic resistance. 1.0x10E4 1.0x10E6 ohms. Static dissipative electronic resistance. 1.0x10E6 1.0x10E9 ohms. Why is ESD resistance important? In environments with electronic devices or sensitive components, even a small amount of static discharge can cause significant damage. In addition, if the resistivity is too high, static electricity may build up, posing a risk to sensitive electronic equipment. Conversely, if it is too low, it could cause electrical short circuits. ESD vinyl flooring tiles protect against this risk by providing controlled conductivity, allowing static to disperse safely without harming equipment. Applications of resistance in ESD flooring. In ESD flooring, conductive PVC tiles and static dissipative tiles help to manage and prevent electrostatic discharge. Different environments may require different levels of resistance. Make sure the static tiles meet your specific industry requirements.